Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, this is day 2 of my Charlie's Nail Art Advent Calendar opening. So, if you're doing it with me, I hope you've got yours ready. So, let's just dive straight in. I am so excited. I wonder what it is today. Completely ripping the tag and everything. So, ooh, we have bling. Oh, that's pretty. So these are obviously available on the website, and they are so pretty. Look at the colours in there. It's so pretty. So let's quickly get a nail out. We'll just grab one of these ones. What colour shall we use today? I wonder. Shall we use one of the what do you call it? I can't think what it is. Hang on 1 second. Okay, so I've decided I'm going to use a longer tip, and my phone died, so while it was charging I painted my nails. That's why I've got different coloured nails. So I'm going to use this Love Curry White, which is 089, and this I Maylee, which is 017. And yeah, I will quickly put some music on and then I shall be back. Okay, so there you go. That is day 2. And this is the sort of stuff that you can create. So let me know down below what you think about this. I think it turned out really pretty. And again, these are the gems from Charlie's Nail Art. Well, I hope you like this. I absolutely love this polish. One of my favourite ones. So yeah, let me know what you think. I think it turned out really pretty. Let's take it off the stand instead. Can you see it better? So there you go. So yep, just a quick video. And yeah, hopefully you will join me tomorrow for day 3. And yeah, we'll see what we're going to get. And if you're opening it with me, let me know. And yeah, I will see you all tomorrow. And don't forget, if you do make an order from Charlie's, don't forget my code. It will be on the screen down below, you know, anyway. And yeah, hopefully I will see you tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye.